Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm gonna make a pretty good video today, but it's like my screen brush thing isn't working, like all the shortcuts, so it's like throwing me so off, and it happened from yesterday. I don't know what I pressed, but so essentially uh from the 10th we had that left shoulder build, then Monday we had that head that formed off of the support blue that I've talked to you guys about for since December 18th, or even if January 2nd, right? So I've had this blue for a while, right? So essentially yesterday, right? Yeah, left shoulder, the head formed yesterday, right? And then today morning AM, we closed the cup, right? Or it's like kind of off. Hold on, I don't know why, but yes, we closed the cup right here, right? And what comes after the cup? You're looking for some type of handle to form the structure, right? Um, so that's what the structure that we were waiting for, the handle to form, which would also form a overall inverse head and shoulder, left shoulder, head, right shoulder right here. But however, you notice that once we tested back at this key level with 5 day, we actually um, rejected with orange as well as yellow, which we had rejected. I'll show you that in the 5 minute, but yeah, so we rejected both from the yellow algo as well as the orange algo, right? So that meant either we were headed for downtrend, right? And then this would be a head, right? So and then this would be the left shoulder and then form a right shoulder right here, or the market just wants to build more liquidity, uh, and it wanted to, because also I'll show you in the 5 minute, but there was a lot of essentially there was a lot of tapering algos here. So usually I do like the market to build liquidity, because when it does do that, usually it signals if a move does happen, it'll be a bigger move, because the market has built that liquidity and built a better risk to reward, right? So the market would essentially make these big moves all the way, right? And especially the falling knife that happened right here. I'm gonna show you guys how to catch how you should have noticed that and catch that, right? Because when you notice the tapering, right, the same tapering that happened um, right here, right, happened right here, right, and easy trade right here, take it off there all the way down. I think this was a 4 point trade. Yeah, 4 point trade that you could have easily taken, and this was probably the easiest trade to take for the whole day. But I did take trades on the way down as well on the handle, then even the way up, uh, and then testing this level right here, the 5 day, right, and then that's what we rejected, right, and then the last trade right here, right. So essentially three trades today. Although we didn't get that clear structure today of the cup completing on the right shoulder, right? That's what we have to wait out for tomorrow. So for tomorrow, wait for the the cup to close on the right shoulder, right? And then have a microstructure of a right shoulder right here, and then push up. And this ultimately completes a left shoulder, head, right shoulder, inverse head and shoulder, right? And then we're most likely gonna get a retest of a key level right here, and then head up, right? And attack the 20 day right here, um, as well as wherever 20 day is tomorrow, right? As well as the 50 day, right? So pay attention. This is also another liquidity level that we would have to test as well, and then bounce up, right? So before we test 20 day, I do expect some type of right shoulder to form off of the 590 level, right? So two right shoulders I expect to form, right? So tomorrow off of 585, then as well as I got on 586 right here, and then 590, right? And then we can close all the way up here at orange, right? And teal right here, right? So that's the goal. So there is possibility of that. And then again, if we do like reject here fully, right? So left shoulder, which we built, head right here, and then you want to wait for the right shoulder off of teal, um, and even taking a structure trade right here, right shoulder right here is also good right here, and then take it down here, then see the move. But again, pay attention to the blue, right? support, right? And I think if we do head down here, we'll have enough selling to push out below the blue and then build a right shoulder off of blue and then keep pushing down. And then you have to pay attention to the purple, right? The purple is going to be support as well, so you need to pay attention. And the next key level I believe is 568.50, so pay attention to that. Pretty good support area. And just trade accordingly, right? Now let me show you the 5-minute, right? Like how today was, right? So I'm not gonna be as thorough, but cup close, right? We have the left shoulder here, the head right here. Then what we wait for is the right shoulder, aka the cup closing again, right? However, you see that we tapered at the top right here, yellow, orange, we tapered and we broke below. Same thing that happened here, we tapered off of yellow, orange, and then yellow right here, right? And then we just opened higher today, right? So same tapering algo was present since literally the 13th, so yesterday, right? And that's the same algo that affected us today, right? And that showed that there was no continuation because of the tapering right here, right? So you have to plan accordingly, right? Then you can look out for some shorts. The next level of support would have been right here, and then you can see that we clearly broke out of that support with the strong selling right here, that you have to pay attention to, right? So yeah, so pretty easy. Now same thing, what we have to wait on this right shoulder, right? Wait for the cup to close right here, and then a possible blue algo, right? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder off of blue, and then also off of pink, and then push up and test this teal right here, right? So yeah, so pay attention to that. So essentially you're testing this level here, and then you're gonna also test this level right here, right? Or wherever teal lands on the 5-minute, right? Or yellow, or you just have to see how much continuation there is actually. So depends on the buying, right? We can test either teal, yellow, or orange, right? So pay attention to those three algos, right? And you can notice where the tapering starts to form, then you usually would want to take profits there, right? And now let me show you intraday. Yeah, so let me draw the trades up, right? TL, of course, right? So left shoulder, head, right shoulder right here, and then this right shoulder, left shoulder, head, right shoulder right here, and that gave us that move down, right? Beautiful move down. What the fuck? Okay. Okay, see, I'm still tripping. Okay, so that gave us that move down. Am I still in ghost mode? Okay, that's good. Right, all the way down. Right, then next structure as well. Same thing, same algos right here. Teal, left shoulder, head, right shoulder right here, all the way down. Right. See, I'm trying to draw this, but it's not working. The thing's so messed up, bro. Okay. So, anyways, then we have our blue algo. Face, poker face. Poker face, poker face. Oh my god, it's gonna mess everything up. Okay, I don't care. I'm not gonna show screen brush. Okay. So trades. I can't show you the top algo, whatever. I'll show it right here. Right, so it's gonna come from right here, right, essentially, right here, right. So then yellow, orange. Let me draw that yellow. Right, yellow, yellow. Pretty simple. Orange as well. Right. Right, so right there, so you see the tapering algos, and I think I drew it opposite. I have it on the 5-minute as like, or it doesn't matter, but you guys get the idea, right? So let me go from the first trades, right? So first trade, again, right, so right here, right, at the break. It's like drawn wrong, but like it should have been right here. But yeah, this was the right shoulder, and then again right here, right shoulder, second trade down, right, and then again you see the blue algo right here, right. This is super messy. I'll try to figure out the screen brush. I'm not like, it's kind of hard. But then also the purple algo. Hold on, let me draw that. Fuck. Right. Right. So you have the left shoulder, head, right shoulder off of pink or purple, whatever you may call it, right? And then we have blue as well, right? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder off of blue. And then you can see that we're in the strong buying channel, right? God, shoot, that's okay. But anyways, right? So that, and then you can see that the tapering up top, right? That we rejected here, and what you do is you look for the next structure. So you can see how we're yellow, right? We're resisting. Hold on, let me just. Right, so you see yellow, right? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder off of yellow right here, and then the fucking sharp knife right here, right? And all the way down right here, and then we just ran out of time, end of the day, right? But essentially to move down from here, left shoulder, head, right shoulder right here, and now to move down, right? But this falling knife was actually the easiest trade you could have taken today, and that's also by identifying that lack of continuation, right? See that rejection at the top, right? So that's essentially it. So one whole trade right here, second trade, right? Multiple entries, right? So when I say trade, right, there's the scenario, right, of the trade, then there's also the entries, right? For example, there's one entry here, two entries right here, one entry right here, two entries right here, right? For longs there, another entry right here for blue, another entry right here, and then you notice that tapering, right? And then for the shorts, one entry right here at the break of yellow. Then there was also teal here. I just didn't put it. But yeah, so multiple entries, multiple everywhere, and you could have also just traded one scenario, right? This whole short you could have just taken, or you could have taken this long, or you could have just taken this short, right? So you just need to catch one of these, right? One of these trades, and all of these three trades to make your day, right? And I just know I just drew a lot. Holy shoot. Hide screen, enter gross mode, okay? And then I'm gonna, yeah, so so that's essentially it. Pretty simple, right? Pretty easy, not that difficult, and I'm not gonna show you the intraday algos that I did draw, okay? So but yeah, basically it. Basically what the idea is, right? I'm gonna show you on here, why not? So left shoulder, head, right shoulder right here, right? Drop, first drop, second drop right here, right? Then taking it right, left shoulder, head, right shoulder right here as well. Blue, right, blue, take it all the way up here, and then the resistance right here, right? So you notice the tapering as well as the yellow, right? And the break right here, teal break right here, and then we were guided down by the strong selling that we saw right here as well, right? So yeah, pretty simple day, pretty easy day. And then you notice at the end of the day we kind of bounce back up, right? And so we need to see tomorrow that the cup does close like back up here again, right? And then we use the 5-day as some sort of right shoulder right here, and then push up, right? And then grab liquidity right here, and then test level right here, right? And then have a right shoulder right here, and then test right here, right? So there's a lot of levels to go, right? This level, 586 level, 590 level, 596 level, right? So there's many ways to go. Just take it one at a time. You don't have to catch every trade, right? Like I showed you today, if you just caught one of them, you would have made a 5-figure day, right? So it's pretty simple, pretty easy. It's not too hard. But if you have any questions, it's kind of confusing more because I used the screen brush, like I couldn't use it right. I don't know how to fix all of it, but like it's like not functions are not working, so I have to really look into it, and I'm pretty lazy right now, so I'm tired. I'm very tired. I haven't ate. Okay. See you guys tomorrow. Have a great day.